The European Commission is working around the clock to help address the coronavirus crisis. We are funding research, we are financing the development of vaccines, we support companies and people who risk losing their jobs. But sometimes the support from the European Union is even more concrete. I'm very happy that this morning we were able to repatriate 290 European citizens who were stranded in Morocco. The plane that brought them home landed safely in Vienna. On board were Austrians and other EU citizens as well. And this morning Austria submitted a second request for a repatriation flight for EU citizens from Morocco, and we will support it too. But EU citizens are not only stranded outside, but also within Europe, and this needs to stop. We have proposed solutions to enable people to go home now and allow the transport of goods that are needed across Europe. We have to keep cross-border transport of supplies flowing, in particular that of medical products. Throughout Europe, there is a big need for masks, protective suits, and other equipment to protect ourselves from the virus. We need in particular to take care of our healthcare workers, doctors and nurses, but also police and border guards. We work with the industry to produce more protective equipment, and we work with national governments to buy this stuff together. In addition, we are accelerating research. Yesterday, I spoke to the managers of an innovative European research company. They work on a promising technology to develop a vaccine against the coronavirus. The European Union provides them up to 80 million euros, and I hope that with this support, we can have a vaccine on the market perhaps before autumn. This could save lives in Europe and in the rest of the world too. And tonight I will discuss with the European heads of state and government about new measures to support the economy. Much remains to be done to fight this virus. We can all contribute. For example, you can contribute by staying home and reducing contact with other people. Thank you for your support.